Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 41 of Surah Al-A'raf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لهم من جهنم مهاد ومن فوقهم ومن فوقهم غواش اللهم أجرنا من النار لا ففتح بنجاز هم for the circle ellipse statute meme. This is idgham and this is idgham and shafawi. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. It will get gunna. لهم من focus like the E sound, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so you're keeping your tongue straight and you are keeping your mouth ready to say jim, yeah, like you are lifting your tongue up to towards the palate. Mej for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Han for fatha open jaws, that noon gets if up kunna, this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Mi focus give e sound. Ha, 2 counts long. Do, this is idgham. So keeping and with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Dun wa makhraj of wow. Circling your lips with open jaws. Focus give e sound, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so your upper 2 teeth should be very close to your lower teeth, but you are not touching it until you will say it. وَمِن فَوْ, give hamza power for fatha and jaws attached wow. This wow is lean, so when you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making this wow soft. فوقي, off is heavy. For kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Him, for kasra give e sound attached with me will get sifa tawasut. In hukmuhu idhar. Gha, ghain is heavy within fita. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Wash. Focus because of this spark, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. Long vowel should not go into your nose. It should be from your jaw. And sheen will get sifa of raqawa. It has the fashi. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha and jaws, the sound is short. Ka, kaf is light. For fatha and jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Ka, for fatha and jaws, the sound is short. Naji, and for fatha and jaws attached jim, jim will get sifa of qalqala, and it has shadda. No flow of sound should be there. Naji, naji, zil, ni, naji, zil, naji, zil. Za has safi. For kasra give e sound attached with lo. Lo will get sifa of raqawa. It is heavy and it has itbaq. So you're lifting your tongue nicely and pasting it on your palate. Zil, the, 2 counts long. Li, focus give e sound. Mean, because of this verb, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon, and long vowel should be from your jaw. لهم من جهنم مهاد ومن فوقهم غواش وكذلك نجزي الظالمين مخرج of واو circle in your lips ففتح open jaws attach it لام will get صفة التوسط لا ففتح open jaws the sound is short the two counts long نا ففتح open jaws the sound is short two counts long ما ففتح open jaws the sound is short no for the circle lips make it two counts long ومخرج of واو circle in your lips ففتح open jaws عين from your throat ففتح open jaws me focus راجل E sound لص for the circle ellipse attached صاد صاد will get صفة of رخاوة it is heavy and it has سفير لص صا صا two counts long and صاد will be heavy and alif will be heavy too because it is accompanied by the heavy letter صا لي focus give E sound ha have with hums make it two counts long from your throat T focus give E sound the sound is short la two counts long nu for the circle ellipse the sound is short kel kaf is light for fatha open jaws attached with lam will get sif of tawassut li focus give E sound and the sound is short fu give hums in fa for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Naf. For fatha open jaws attached with fa, fa will get sifa of raqawa. Naf. Sen. For fatha open jaws, and this is idhar. The ruling idhar and sifa is tawassut. Sen. Il. For kasra give E sound attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. La. Two counts long. Wus. For wow, this is wow sound. It is not us. This is wow sound. So there should be woo sound there. Woos. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips. When you're circling your lips, this wow sound will be automatically pronounced woos. For Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short, attached with seen. Seen will get sifa for Rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. Woos. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Ha mad munfasil jais make it four counts long. U for the circle ellipse the sound is short and sharp. La mad muttasil wajib make it four counts long. E focus give E sound. Ka for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Else Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with sod. So get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir and it is heavy. Else ha two counts long. Wool for the circle ellipse attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Jan there is no flow of steam flow of sound in jim attached with noon will get sifa of kunna. And then we are giving sakun on this ta. This sakun on ta, circle ta will change into ha, and now it has rakhawa too. Jannah. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Fi, give hams and fa, make it two counts long. Ha, two counts long. Kha, with infita, it is heavy, make it two counts long. Li, focus give E sound, the sound is short. Doon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madadat li sukun, and long vowel should be from your jaw. والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون اللهم اجعلنا منهم يا رحمن ومخرج الطاء circling your lips ففتح open jaws نا ففتح open jaws the sound is short زاع ففتح open jaws attached عين عين will get up توسط and should be from your throat nicely na 2 counts long ma 2 counts long fi give hams and fa make it 2 counts long صاد is heavy for the circle lips the sound is short do dal is light for the circle lips make it 2 counts long Eri, Ra is light for kasra give E sound. Him for kasra give E sound. And then there is idgham. Idgham shafawi. So, and the most important part of idgham shafawi is ghunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Him, min. This, and the ruling is the ruling is إظهار and حكمه حكمه the حكم here is إظهار and صفة is توسط من غين is heavy for كسرة give E sound and then there is إخفاء coming up غل give توسط on noun first غل لي غل غين is heavy and keep lam light غل لي إخفاء light إخفاء you're keeping the tongue straight your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of ta while you are creating إخفاء تاج ta is sharp but upon jaws that jim is sharp too there's no flow of breath or sound here and give qalqala تاج ra is light make it 2 counts long for kasra give E sound and then there is ikhfa you're keeping your tongue straight your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of ta when you are creating ikhfa تح ففتح open jaws attached ha will get sifa of hams and it is from your throat nicely tahti that is sharp no flow of sound he for kasra give E sound mul for the circle ellipse attached lam will get sifa of tawassut and hamza is sharp attached nun will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar Ha is 4 counts long because of this verb. You're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon will turn this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukoon and long vowel should not go into your nose at all. ومخرج الواو circling your lips with open jaws. Qaf is heavy. And alif is heavy too because it is accompanying a heavy letter. Make it 2 counts long and make it heavy. Lul for the circle ellipse attached with lam will get sip out the first. So as you will touch lam with sukoon, your lips should be in a straight position. Ham with hams from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with mim will get sip out the first. And hukmuhu idhar. Do for the circle ellipse the sound is sharp no flow of sound or breath do lil for kasra give E sound attached with lam will get sip out the first. La lafz jalala is always long lil la hil for kasra give E sound attached with lam will get sip out the first. La for fatha open jaws the sound is short the 2 counts long ha for fatha open jaws the sound is short the 2 counts long na 2 counts long li for kasra give E sound ha 2 counts long the 2 counts long wa makhraj of waw circling your lips for fatha open jaws ma 2 counts long kun for the ma circle ellipse attached with noon as you will touch noon your lips should be in a straight position and noon will get sifa of kunna na then it is 2 counts long li for kasra give E sound na for fatha open jaws attached with ha will get sifa of rokhawa and it is from last part of your throat na ta is sharp no flow of sound for fatha open jaws the sound is short D for kasra give E sound. Yeah, Ya is light. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Law, wow is lean. So when you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making it soft. La, mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. And hamza is sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. And hukmuhu idhar. Ha, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Da, 2 counts long. Nallah. Noon is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long all into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. La for fatha upon jaws. Qad. Qaf is light. For fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and it is sharp. Qad. Ja. Jim has no flow of sound and it is mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. At hamza is sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hams and hams is flow of breath. Uru is heavy. You're lifting your tongue up. For dhamma, circle lips, make the sound short. Uru su, the sound is short. For dhamma, circle lips. Lu, for dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Rob, lift your tongue up nicely to make ra heavy. And for fatha upon jaws, attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. No flow of sound at all. Rob, the makhraj will cut off the sound. Rabbi for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Na 2 counts long. Bil for kasra give e sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Haq, ha from your throat nicely with hams. For fatha upon jaws, attach it qaf. Qaf will get sifa of shidda first. For the first qaf, you're giving shidda, and the second qaf will get sifa of qalqala. Haq و مخرج of واو circle in your lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. No, for dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Do mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You are keeping your tongue very straight, and you are going to the makhraj of ta while you are making ikhfa. Till for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ku for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mul for dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Jan, jim has shidda, no flow of sound. Jan, unna akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tu for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. U, hamza is sharp. For dhamma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Rith, where ra is light. For kasra give e sound attached with tha. Tha will get sifa of rakhava. Rith, tu, ta is very sharp. For dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mu for the circle left, make it 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. B for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Kwa for the circle lips, as you will touch noon, there is ikhfa, so you're hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of ta, and thus kwa tum for the circle lips attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, and meme will get sifa of tawassut. Ta. Ta is sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attach the ain from your throat, and it has tawassut. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Loon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. ونزعنا ما في صدورهم من غل تجري من تحتهم الأنهار وقالوا الحمد لله الذي هدانا لهذا وقالوا الحمد لله الذي هدانا لهذا وما كنا لنهتدي لولا أن هدانا الله لقد جاءت رسل ربنا بالحق ونودوا أن تلكم الجنة أورثتموها بما كنتم تعملون سبحانك اللهم ربنا بحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته